Thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us put our hands together as we welcome here FFCCCII President Mr. Victor Lim for a message. 让我们以最热烈的掌声欢迎飞华商联总会理事长林荣辉先生致辞，掌声有请。
Our Honorable Mayor Isko Moreno Domogoso, Honorable Vice Mayor Chi Atienza, Honorable Congressman Joey Chua, Honorable City Council, DOT's NCR Director Kati Agustin, Director Kristar Bagdatsing of the Department of Tourism, Culture and Arts of Manila, Executive Director Tony C. of Manila, Chinatown Development Council, our immediate past President, Dr. Cecilia Pedro, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant evening to all of you. On behalf of the Federation of Filipino-Chinese Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Inc., and the 30 members organization of the Filipino at Chino Magkaibigan Foundation, I'm pleased to extend my warmest greeting as we witness the lighting of this golden prosperity horse to the welcome of the Chinese New Year. In Chinese culture, the horse symbolizes strength, energy, and power, values that echo our aspiration for the country, city, and business. Indeed, the shining light of the golden prosperity horse illuminates our city and bright ray of prosperity into our words and efforts as we move forward in the search of the opportunities ahead. This special occasion also reflects what we can achieve when the city government, the business community, and the citizenship through the unity. By working together, we create the environment where enterprises grow, jobs are created, and the prosperity as we share. May the year ahead bring a greater progress and growth to our beloved Manila and the fellow Manileños, and may this bring more success for the city government under the leadership of our Mayor Isko Moreno. Happy Chinese New Year! Kyung-hee Patsai! Thank you and salamat po sa linala.
Thank you so much, Mr. Victor Lim, for that lovely speech. 非常感谢飞华商联总会理事长林荣辉先生的致辞。Ngayong gabi, taos-puso naming pinasasalamatan ang pamahalang lungsod ng Maynila sa kanilang walang sawang suporta at sa pagsisikap. Dahil sa kanilang malasakit, patuloy na namamayagpag ang Maynila bilang lungsod na may malasakit sa kultura at bukas sa pag-unlad. And now, ladies and gentlemen, may I request everyone to please put your hands together as we welcome the Mayor of the City of Manila, the Honorable Francisco Isko Moreno and Domogoso for a speech. Let's give him a big round of applause.
Ay, maupo po kayo. Thank you, Candice. Pwede ba makisuyo for the sake of our foreign guests, no? Especially meron dito nakita ko galing pa ng Sengsu. Kanina meron lumapit sa akin galing pa ng China. But anyway, please try to so that everybody will feel welcome to the city of Manila.
好，现在由我来帮忙市长翻译一下。
So, our President of the Federation, our friend, ito matagal ko ng kaibigan, kusyal pa lang ako, kaibigan ko na ito mga, nagtatandaan na yung mga taga-chambers. Our friend, President of the Federation, Victor Lim.
他是在说他们以前就很文心以前就已经是朋友了，都是有酒的朋友了。
Sabi mo doon sa mga banyaga na matagal na. Bata pa lang ako. Kilala ko na sila.
对，市长小时候、年轻的时候就已经认识各位了，特别是我们的理事长林荣辉先生。
Mahal nito, times 7 ah. To our, family friend naman. Talagang hiningi ko yung oras niya na tulungan ako upang lingunin ang mga pangangailangan, kakailanganin in any forms of assistance in downtown, Chinatown. Our Executive Director, Tony C., Manila Chinatown Development Council.
他也是我们家里的朋友，所以很多需要帮助的时候，我都会请求他的帮助。
TY, walang tosgas ang gobyerno. 1 peso a year. Kaya si Tony madalas abonado. You tell them, baka maglagay sila sayang. Ito partner natin, NCR, at lagi natin ka-partner, NCR Department of Tourism Director Cathy Agustin. Yan.
还有，当然我们的合作伙伴旅游部的 Director。
A representative from Santa Cruz, San Nicolas, Binondo, Chinatown, Quiapo, for 3rd District of Manila, no? Congressman Joel Chua.
还有我们所有组织的代表，还有我们的可敬的 Congressman。
Councilor Maile Atienza, Pa Pugoso, Karen Alibarbar, Jong Isip, Jeff Lau, at si Daniel Padilla, yung tatay niya, Council Tol Sarkal.
都是我们 District 3的议员，欢迎你们。
At mga konsehal na narito sa iba't ibang distrito. Ayan, nandiyan sila na pinamumunuan ng ating Vice Mayor. Pinakamagandang Vice Mayor sa buong Pilipinas. Vice Mayor Chi Atienza.
当然还有我们全菲律宾最漂亮的副市长 Chia Atienza。
To the department heads, barangay officials, at si Sam na kaibigan ko rin ng Chinese-Filipino Business Club sa Maloy.
这当然，来自马来西亚的对，也是他的很好的朋友。
At lahat ng chambers. Ang dami. Baka gabihin tayo. The City of Manila would love to host each and every one of you later in our dinner time.
还有我们其他组织的各位商会的各位朋友们，然后我们的市政府呢，非常期待的请大家等一会儿要一起聚餐。
Well, una, salamat sa Diyos.
首先，当然要感谢上帝。
Meron tayong magandang weather, maayos, ligtas lahat, at sa dami ng hirap na inabot natin noong 2025, at saka nung panahon ng pandemya. Salamat sa Diyos, magkakasama tayo ngayong gabi, nakaraos tayo.
非常感谢我们的上帝，给了我们今天那么好的天气，而且大家都健健康康、平平安安的。因为他想到去年也不是一个特别好的一年，然后呢，当时呢有疫情，但是现在大家都欢聚一堂在这里，所以他非常感谢上帝。
Parang mahaba yung sinabi niya.
Ano?
Dinugo ilong ko eh.
Mayor, you should learn na how to speak in Mandarin, no?
Nomad ka.
Para ano, wala na akong trabaho dito.
Hindi, noong araw, I grew up in the area. Alam nyo ito, yung basar. Ito itong kanto. Itong basar. In passing lang yung basar na yan, kinukuhanan ko ng basura yan. Yan.
小时候他是在那边长大的，然后他小时候呢， 以前
Pagkakanan ka ng kaunti, may gate na green dyan. Doon ka papasok, doon mo kukunin yung basura pagdating ng alas 4 ng hapon.
他在那里捡垃圾，下午4点。
Baka hindi maniwala yung mga banyaga na basurero ko. Gusto nyo kuminis sa mukha nyo, kainin nyo yung tira ng Jollibee. Marami yun, masarap yun. I grew up in the area. Worked here since 10 years old. San Fernando, MD Santos, Santo Cristo, Ilaya, Elcano, Tabora, Wanluna, lahat yan. Iniikot ko nung araw.
所有这些街头，所有这些街头都是市长在那边曾经，他10岁的时候就已经用了很多地方在那边开始工作。
Yes. Kaya sa buhay ko, bilang Batang Maynila, 10 na mga Batang Maynila nandito, ay talagang hindi pwedeng ikubli, ipagkait na ang kultura ng Pilipino at Chinese ay masagana, mabuti at payapang naghalong kultura dito sa lungsod ng Maynila.
非洲关系最早以前就是在这里开始的，所以非洲关系源远流长。
And to my fellow Manileños, I just wanted to share, maaring minsan ikinikipit balikat na lang natin, ngunit nais kong ipaunawa sa bawat isa sa inyo, yung nakikita nyo todits, itong mga nasa harapan. Maaring by blood, they are Chinese. But most of them, if not all of them, they are more Filipino than the others.
市长是说，我们所有住在马尼拉的朋友们，其实我们在身边的这所有的领导朋友们，你们虽然是中国血统，但是你们的心是在菲律宾。
At bilang pagdidiin, nakita niyong Kalyong Pin. Sa kasaysayan, sa kabataan, kaya tayo mag-iingat. Kasi ako'y may pagkakamali din nung araw, ng bata ko. O what you call, we were taught of prejudice. Pag nakita Chinese, beho, chekwa, those are the things that we were taught when we were young. But I just want you to, have a mutual respect and learn the way on how to respect each other. Because there is one Chinese by blood, but he is more Filipino at the time when he funded and supported the Philippine Revolutionary o mga lumaban sa mapanakop noong panahon ng Kastila. Yan ang tinatawag ngayong Kalye Ongpin.
甘亮斌是一位先生，他当时呢在战争的时期，虽然他是中国人，但是他还帮助了菲律宾。市长也说了，那个地方呢是悠久的一个中国城，也是我们菲律宾最悠久的。
He spent his hard-earned money to support the revolution. So just imagine, would you believe, may isang katulad nila na handang isugal ang kanyang sarili at kanyang yaman, mapagtagumpayan lamang natin ang kalayaan. And these are the things that we should not forget as Filipino-Chinese, as Manileño, and as Filipino as a whole.
我们永远都不要忘记，我们虽然是中国血统，但是我们永远要支持菲律宾，因为那位先生呢，也是牺牲了自己，花了很多钱，做了很多事情，为了让菲律宾好。
Yan. At bilang paggunita at pagsalubong sa makabagong taon, under the, tama ba ako, Chinese calendar.
Yes.
Ang pagsalubong sa taon, or what you call Year of the Horse. Sino ba, Tiger? Taas ang kamay.
Me.
Tiger, Kaya bagay tayo eh. Kaya lang, nakakalawit na ako eh. Kung binata lang ako, Tony, may kalalagyan to eh. This is very beautiful, right? You're also Filipino-Chinese.
Opo.
O see? Kaya magaganda talaga. But moving on, we're very excited in the Year of the Horse. Horse represents strength.
我们非常期待马年， 马象征着力量，
strength to your health, strength to your business, strength to our city and its people, and strength for our country for 2026.
好，希望这个马年为我们的身体带来健康，然后呢，为我们的事业发达，然后呢，也为也为我们的菲律宾繁荣昌盛。
And I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you, all organizations representing the business, especially in the city of Manila, for your unwavering support to the new policy of the city. I know sometimes it may create some confusion, but rest assured, whatever resources that you're going to share to the city government of Manila will make sure that every single cent of it will be dedicated and converted into public service of our community.
首先呢，非常感谢各位的支持，为我们市政府的支持。然后也想各位说一下，就是如果你们想要捐款，我们一定会达到，就是你们所有的钱都一定会为人民服务。
At pumanatag kayo, maaaring ang siyudad ng Maynila ay luma kung ikukumpara sa mga kapitbayan natin na may magagarbong building, nakatutulo ng laway. Wow, ang gaganda. But if there is one good thing about being Manilans and the city of Manila, these old buildings, particularly in this square, in this oval, in this plaza, we have very rich history. That is the edge of the city of Manila.
虽然我们可以看，我们马尼拉市跟其他城市比，这里比较东西这里的那些都比较旧，但是呢，我们要知道的是，我们这里有特别深厚的历史、悠久的历史，而且我们为这个感到骄傲。
Sige nga, transfer mo. Alalumbaga.
Alam mo ba? Ano po yun, Mayor? Hindi ko po yung alam.
Panore metangere yun.
Ah,
But
okay.
speaking of history, a lot of your forefathers, of our forefathers, strived and became successful in this part of the city. In fact, huwag na kayo lumayo-layo, isa sa pinakamalaking bangko sa buong Pilipinas, nagsimula, lingunin nyo lang, ayun, Metro Bank, It's all over the country. It started in Tabora, magtetela, tinitinda tela, yarda-yarda, but became one of the biggest bank. Most of the taipans, most of the big tens and billionaires of this country, they all started in Manila.
很多很大的企业，还有很多的生意人，很出名的生意人，都是来自于马尼拉，都是从这里开始的。
Kaya sa mga bagong magbabakasakali at ipagbabakasakali ninyo na magtagpuan ninyo ang tagumpay dito sa Maynila, welcome po kayo sa lungsod ng Maynila.
好，如果你们想要在这里开始你们的企业，或者在这里做一个成功的人士，欢迎你们来到马尼拉。
We have proven our work already.
我们已经表现了这个，就是我们已经表现了我们可以做到的。
Kaya mo ba? We have proven our work already. We have shown results. Manila is a great market. 2
我们
million nighttime, 3 million daytime. We don't produce anything, but we distribute everything.
我们不创作东西，但是呢，我们会分发东西。我们在这里已经有了成果。
So there is great opportunity in the city of Manila for each and every one of you.
所以在这里对所有人都有机会。
At ang lahat ng ito, ng pagtitiwala ninyo sa pagsuporta sa resources ng lungsod, sa paniniwalang may matatagpuan kayong tagumpay dito sa lungsod ng Manila at nagbibigay ng oportunidad na makapagtrabaho ang aking mga kababayan. Yan naman ay aking susuklian ng isang gobyernong masinop, mainam at epesyente upang mapagtagumpayan natin na ang Maynila ay maging maaliwalas kahit luma ang Maynila, kahit luma, ligtas at panatag ang pamumuhay.
Before I trace it, can I give a big round of applause to you, sir? Amen to that. Thank you. 那市长是说呢，就是呢，非常感谢各位的支持，希望大家可以在这里投资，帮助我们的马尼拉。这样的话，我们所有的住在马尼拉的各位朋友们都可以在这里找到工作，让这个城市变得更非凡、更好。
Nanggigil na siya. Pati tono ko nakukuha mo. Ang galing niya, promise. Palakpakan naman natin. Oy, pare. Ayun, isa sa mga volunteer ng Binondo. Ayan, no? Walang gastos ang gobyerno dyan, pero may malasakit dito sa downtown.
Wow.
Johnny, di ba? Johnny. John.
他一直在这里支持市政府，什么钱都没有收，什么优惠都没有收，他真的是纯粹的过来支持我们的这个活动，支持我们的市长，支持我们的市政府。
Again, I wish for this year to our fellow Manileños, Filipino-Chinese, and to the mainlander who wishes and looking at Manila. Basta, tatandaan ninyo, lagi kayong welcome. Wala lang hausyaw, ha? Walang hausyaw, walang monkey business. Basta, no abuse will come to you as long as I am mayor of the city of Manila.
只要我是市长，我不会给你们带来困难。非常感谢我们的各位支持者，还有我们来自中国的朋友们，欢迎你们来到马尼拉。
So I wish you all good health,
我祝大家身体健康、
success,
成功，
at may awa ang Diyos, mapagtatagumpayan natin together. We can make Manila great again. Kong Hei Pat Choy. Happy New Year! Pagpalain nawa kayo ng Pong May Kapal. Manila! God first. Thank you.
Thank you so much， 谢谢，非常感谢 ，Thank you so much to our beloved Mayor Isko Moreno. Thank you, thank you. Thank you， 谢谢。虽然翻译的不周，但是谢谢了，我尽力了，谢谢，非常感谢。Thank you so much. Oh, Mayor Isko Moreno, Honorable Isko Moreno, we'd like to welcome you once again on stage because, ladies and gentlemen, up next is our presentation of the Plaque of Appreciation. 现在是颁发我们的感谢盾牌，有请我们的市长。 还有我们的副市长，还有林荣辉先生上台。Yes, we will now be proceeding with our plaque of appreciation. 好，首先要颁发的给飞华商联总会，有请飞华商联总会的领导嘉宾请上台接受盾牌。 请飞华各界联合会的领导嘉宾做好准备。请飞华各界联合会的领导嘉宾做好准备。现在有请飞华各界联合会的领导嘉宾请上台。And next is the Federation of Filipino Chinese Associations of the Philippines Foundation Incorporated. 有请飞华工商总会 Chinese Filipino Business Club Incorporated。有请菲律宾华侨善举总会 Philippine Chinese Charitable Association Incorporated。有请菲律宾中华总商会。好，谢谢。现在有请旅菲各校友会联合会。
一个保安怎么？啊，这广东话哦。好。
现在是菲律宾中华总商会。请菲律宾旅菲各校友会联合会的代表请上台，请旅菲各校友会联合会的领导代表请上台，请菲律宾晋江同乡总会的领导代表请做好准备。请菲律宾晋江同乡总会的领导嘉宾请做好准备。